Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and today we're going to talk about how do we optimize the health of your RV plumbing by having a softener that you can use that's designed specifically for RVs. So that's what this video is going to be about. Let's jump into it. So have you ever just taken a glass and poured water right out of the faucet before you hooked your RV up to it just to see what you're dealing with? Sometimes it's, if it's cloudy or dealing with the hard water, it can be annoying and actually could damage your RV plumbing and clog up your water heater and even shorten the lifespan of your appliances. That's where the RV water softener can come in. So let's dive into the particular unit that I got here. This one came from NP Global, and the thing I like about this, it actually includes a filtration system in addition to the soft water portion of it. So they have a built-in filter on top before it goes through the resin to actually soften the water. You can see all the different benefits, I guess, that you would say that it comes with this particular one right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link to this particular filter in the description section. So you're welcome to click on it, go into more detail yourself, and see if this may be of an interest for you. So we just unboxed everything, and here's everything that actually comes in the box when you get this particular softener. So you get two additional pre-filters, they're called. These are intended to go in here. When the water comes in, they go through, it takes sediments out before it goes through the softener and then goes back into your RV. So they give you two additional filters. They give you a wrench that makes this actually spin off this top so you can access where those filters go. And then all this additional plumbing, basically hardware. So depending on your particular setup, which of these units or things do you need to put in? This one we'll probably use for the outlet because it has a nice off-on valve, and it also allows you to spin your hose this way as opposed to try to spin it on the actual connector itself. So we'll be putting that on there. We'll probably put some plumbing tape on there first. And the instructions, they give you a towel. They also give you a little handle that goes on here so you can carry it, which I would highly recommend because this little guy, empty, probably weighs about 30 pounds or so. All we're going to do is come over here and take the hose that they give us for the inlet, put that on here. This then would go into our water source at the RV park. Then we're going to take our hose on the outside here and run that into the connector in the RV. Now, before we do that, we're going to want to run this for about 4 or 5 minutes the first time. That's going to, according to the instructions, get everything ready to go in the salt tank. So as we conclude here, guys, just looking at some of the benefits that having a soft water device like this to hook up to your RV, that there's a lot of benefits here. I would recommend, if you're looking for one, to check out this particular one. Once again, I'll put the link in the description. The other thing that you could use these for, which I'm going to do, we have such hard water that after I wash the RV, there's water spots everywhere. It makes it really difficult to look like it's clean or not. And so running it through here, your garden hose through here to wash the RV as well, is another benefit of having soft water. So with that said, I hope you got some good tips here. Check it out, and I hope all your future RV trips are optimized.